All right. Oof, look at that liquidity sweep. Jeez. Ah, dude, I slept in, brother. I forgot the time changes. That is on me. Apologies. All right. Keeping it simple today. Um, yeah, really not much else to it. Banking on a reversal, nice like dump this morning. Yeah, reversal is possible here. Just gonna be trying to lock in some profit today. See a little bit of congestion down here, trying to hold us up with this here. 18,000 levels, got some pretty good interest. Gotta be careful though because we do just keep making new lows. So low, low, low on the 1 minute chart right now. 5 minute chart. Nice dump here, but I mean, still haven't been able to get above VWAP yet. How are you guys doing this morning? So we got interest at the 90s, 75s, and then obviously up at the 18,000s. That's usually this, I mean, like 17, 1800, that's going to be up there. 17, 800, sorry, that's always just going to be there, and 17 or 18,000 is going to be there. So now it's just a matter of which one has more interest. And right now it looks like we're bouncing out of here, out of the 900s a little more. Um, Bouncing out of the 900s, 50s, maybe a little bit at 50s, but really not much. What's up, Green? We could look for a little breakdown here. I'm just looking for really small take profits, honestly, just like 10 points. Just locking in my profits. Um, yeah, that's all we're doing today. Just locking in some profits. Really no clean setups yet. We're looking on the 1 minute just because we're looking for some little scalps, but we're looking for a pullback like this here, just nice and tight, right? And then we just get the follow through up, making us a really strong push up right now. Let's see what we do back up at VWAP now. Down 90 points in the day, so, and shocker, my volume profile is gone again. Gosh, it's so annoying. All right, there we go. There's a quick push up to VWAP there. Oh, never mind. VWAP wasn't right. Yeah, VWAP and value area high right here. Very strong push here. So maybe a pullback into this fair value gap, and then we try to take it higher. Um, Let me look at the previous day. Holy shit. Oh, well, it's Monday, so it's not really gonna mean too much for us. This is interesting. Check this out. Going up 5.1% today. I'm out. Let's go, Zaid. Don't be using percentages in here, though. That's some ICT stuff. We're just in here to make money. So here we have this high volume node. We break through it, right? Come back, get stuck again. Come back, get stuck again. And then that allows us to dump, really. Jeez, what a push this is. Holy smokes. My word. Scout puts on the dump, about calls on the low. Just sold those calls. All this push up. I'm not sure. I'm expecting a bunch of movement today. Yeah, I mean, this is a pretty massive push off the lows, 80, 97s to 77s, almost 100 points already. Oof. Thanks. 50 point jump. Oh, yeah. Well, you never know what you're going to get. It's probably a crazy 5 minute candle. Yeah, it's wicking value high and VWAP. But I don't think it's a very good idea to just short that. There's a little pullback to VWAP. I'll watch this closely. We got this big fair value gap down here, so we gotta be careful. Getting a little bit of support over here in the book. 87's interest, and obviously higher. entry yet. We're looking for a breakout of the previous candle. Getting a lot of buyers trying to hold us up over here. See 136. They don't want us to get that 87 level. If we break through this, I think we'll just go. Slapped again. Oh, I'm in one. Only got filled one. Jeez. Alright, we're just gonna cut the one. So we break this kind of consolidation level here. Supposed to be our support. All these buyers up here are holding us down a good amount, which is not very intriguing to me. Um, 44.75. We got a wick test here at 44.75. Jeez, dude, this thing's moving. There's that fair value up. There's the 44s. Here's the wick test. Be shocked if they just. Jeez, dude, that is such a bad look. See if we can get this breakout here. Interest over here is 35s. Grab that, give us some momentum to go. Doesn't grab it fully. Really no big orders over here. Oh, I'm still on NQH. See, 175, what's NQM? 283, I gotta switch. Oopsies. Hmm. Pulling back the view up here. Ah, does that break out above? Let's see if we can get some interest up top here. 60. Oh, now my book map's all messed up. Nice. Is there 10 points there? Click scalp. You had to change my book map. Shoot. Oh, they just don't have it. It's only NQH. Huh. So now the prices are different. That's unfortunate. All right, quick scalp there. Reason I got long was we were holding this for value gap here. We were breaking out above this candle, right? Above VWAP. We had this fair value gap as an interest, so I knew we would push up into it at least and maybe test these lows. So I was fine with where my take profit was. Um, but yeah, pretty good trade there, just locking in some profit. That's all we're trying to do, brother. Locking in profit. Ugh. Ugh. All right, can we get another breakout here? Let's go for it. Let's see if we get the highs here. Interest at 80s, which is completely wrong. So, I mean, all it's showing us is there's interest up here. I want to see this thing go. We're gonna cut it right there. I do think it'll still go, but pull back to VWAP there. There was just a lot of interest up in here. The complete wrong contract, but retest VWAP again. I've been trading for about a year now. With prop firms, it'll be a full year in April, but started trading in November of 2022. It's been a little bit. See if we get this push above here. All right, just looking for another 10 points here. Nothing more, nothing less. Just gonna watch this closely. All right, dude. Doesn't want to break out. And here it goes. Pull back, click for me. Oh man, lot of trees right now. Lots of trees. Trading some chop. Chillax. Look, there's just so much interest up here. 18,200. So you got to be careful of this breakout here because we have this level here that's holding us down. So once we break through this, it's going to be pretty quick. Right? These 80s, possibly 90s, but then this might hold us all down, and then we get the rip back down. But for now, we're getting the push up, which I just completely missed. There's that first slap from this. See if we hold that. Okay, we're holding it pretty nicely, ish. Get this push up. That liquidity. Come on. Get that 80 level. Nice. All right. There we have it. So I think I'm gonna call it on this account. Up 1,200 in this account. Really all we need. Not really trying to look for more, just base hits. Took one too many trades today. Six trades, about 50-50. Equal winners and losers. It's just the winners are bigger than the losers. So in a perfect world, we just take like three trades, take profit on at 10 points on all of them, and then we walk out of there. I'm gonna close this now, and then we're gonna take a look at the Top Step accounts. So do I gotta roll this over too? No, I don't think so. I don't know. Alright, I gotta change. Okay, there we go. How often do you withdraw? I'm trying to withdraw more, obviously, but I'm working on these two. So I got three 50K combines here on Top Step, and then I got that 300K on Apex that I'm working on. So hopefully we'll pass all those pretty soon. And then we'll get working on payouts, but I have taken payouts in my career. The goal is to take some bigger payouts and then throw all that into a live account so I can have a live account. Where did my really nice push up out of here? Clearing through all this liquidity. Got 117 there, 145 there, and then we're just grabbing more and more here. Breaking out above the highs. I mean, do not get short. I don't even know. Are these all time? No, we're not. Not even, not even close. Jeez. Really solid push here. What is that? Tens, 60s, 50 points. That's 1,000 on one contract, 5,000 on five contracts, so on and so forth. And shocker, 20,000 on 20 contracts. Ugh. Mm, oops. Northern. There we go. All right, so now I mean it's all pretty clear up in here. So if we get any sort of pullback, which it looks like we're getting right now, could just mean we're getting an opportunity to get in. So I might as well take it. Delete these. Pull back into this fair value gap here. See if we get the breakout. Little something holding us up here. Sure, it's not much. There's literally no support in here. So I gotta find something that holds us up. Still in this fair value gap. Pretty nice candle there. Break of the high on this candle would be a really clean setup, but let's see if we get it. Or maybe if we wick below real quick. Come on, wick below. Sure, there's some stops down there. And we break the high of the candle, and then we break through this little consolidation area, and then we're able to go. We'll grab the high of day, I think. Maybe it's high of day. I'm not sure yet. Bottom there. So see, right now, if you were to get in and you just put your stop below there, I think you're guaranteed to get stopped out just like that. Because I mean, just adding liquidity in, but just gotta be careful. A nice wick there, kind of near the highs of these two candles. It's good for us to see. We could get in early and just try to get our 10 points by the time we get the breakout, but I'd rather have a confirmed entry. Yeah, see that we would have gotten slapped right there. Another big wick, another big rejection. So now if we break out of this zone, out of this resistance here, then we'll get another nice pop up. So just keep watching this closely. I'm sure the trade will present itself. All we're looking for is a break of the previous candle high. Big old wick there. Horrible fill there. That's okay. See if we get to push up, break out of these resistance. Slap there. All right, I gotta close that. Chance we're retesting the trend line. Need to see this thing pop back up. All right, yeah, no. Jeez. Rough looking breakout there. See, 50s, 58s, not quite. Having trouble getting over this resistance area here. Little pop over. I'm gonna take it off there. Just gotta lock something in. Seems like we're holding this trend line pretty good, but just can't get much follow through. 25 interest. Look at that. In seconds. In seconds. Wish I could see like my trades. All right. So we'll look for one more trade, and then we'll get out of here. Oh, a lot of interest at top still. We were able to catch a little bit on that pullback, and then we could see here. We kept chopping around this, kept getting stuck here, and I mean, after so many times, we're gonna pop, and I could see we were just gonna pop straight through. So got a really good entry right at the high. See, where was my 10 points? 49. Yeah, pretty much top ticked it, but we'll take it. Oh, we got interest up here at 25s, 30s. Nothing holding us down, nothing bouncing us back up, really. I think I'm just gonna wait for a little bit until we establish better setup. Ugh. Yeesh, what a dump. Straight down. Really nice dump there. Sweeps the highs of the day. Nice displacement. Psych, I lied. I want to see a little pop back up into this fair value gap, and then we'll get a little bit of a breakdown, hopefully. It's the goal. Oh, a lot of interest up here. See, how close did we ever get? Almost in the fair value gap. Almost. See if we can just pop right up in there. It's gonna get stuck over here again. We want to see it just pop these highs quickly. Not gonna be able to. See if we can get this thing to fall down. Oh, baby. All right. I think that's it for me today. So we got 200 bucks across all three accounts. 241 actually on this one. How's that possible? 226 on this one. 206 on this one. So pretty good day. So what is that? Like 600 there, 1200 on the 300K. So almost 2 grand in total. Pretty simple, done in like 40 minutes. Um, did it all with Bookmap. Bookmap, take profit at 10 points, lock in your profit. We're dialed. We'll be back tomorrow for more. All right.